everyone, Tracy Giordano with La Mesa Village Association, and today I'm here with Phil Giordano with SFS Life Settlements. So Phil, how long have you had this office?
We've been at this office here in location right off La Mesa Boulevard here. We're actually just going on 16 years.
So Phil, tell us a little bit about what you do here.
What we do is we help people actually sell their existing life insurance policies. So what I want to be clear about that is we're not talking about people who want a new life insurance policy. If they have an existing life insurance policy, there may be the opportunity to sell that policy for a lump sum of cash. And typically they're 65 plus years old and they have a policy of say $50,000 or larger. And if for some reason they no longer need the policy or the premiums are getting too expensive, they may have the opportunity to actually sell that policy.
And then how do you go about selling the policy, or what's the next step?
The next step is we gather information, insurance information and medical information. We determine if it's feasible and if it's going to help meet their objectives, maybe to actually sell the policy. And then what we do is we go to work and work with 30 plus companies across the country that buy these life insurance policies. We are helping people and providing exclusive representation for them to get the best offer that the market will provide, much like a real estate broker or a real estate agent. We do when you list a property, right? You want to help them get the best offer. We do the same thing, but with life insurance policies. Do you want me to provide some quick examples to kind of make it real for people? Yeah. So right now, for example, we have one client. He's a male, he's 71 years old, and his family decided they didn't want the policy anymore. It's a $75,000 policy, and the premiums are approaching around $8,000 a year or so, so it's getting a little bit expensive for them. And they decided to sell their policy, and they're receiving $10,000 for the policy. And then one more example of a larger policy. It was $1.7 million. It was a female. She was 81 years old, and her husband and her decided they didn't need that policy any longer. And for that $1.7 million policy, she received $390,000. We do a pre-evaluation so we don't waste the client's time and make sure that, is it going to make sense? Is it going to help them? Is it going to meet their objectives? Because obviously there's reasons for people to keep their life insurance policies. This is just one more option to consider.
Phil, if somebody is interested in learning more or perhaps meeting with you for a consultation, how do they go about getting in touch with you?
Yeah, I mean, they can call us direct right here. Our number 619-337-0890, and I'm at extension 1. They can just press that and get a hold of me directly. Or they can email me at phil@sfslifesettlements.com.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Phil, for joining us. We really appreciate it. And thank you for being a member of the La Mesa Village Association.
Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.